Hello guys. This is Boy TV. Welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. A very quick one. Let me put this phone on the end. I don't want disturbance, right? So, I want to tell you guys about this GT. I've been doing this for a while now, but I paused for about almost 6 months or four. Yeah, I have many projects on my hand that I'm working on, so I have to pause some mining for now. So I want to talk about this particular coin or mining application. Let's dive into this, guys. Let's dive into this. So you can see I have 11,700 points there balance. So let's click on mining here. Press the button to start mining. So I'm going to tell you guys a few more things about this particular project. All right. So you press this button here to start mining over here. So it start mining. I think it's every few hours or so. So that is just that. So let's press it. Okay, 24 hours. Yeah, 24 hours. 23 hours and 4 minutes left. So it has started mining. I have four strike here. Then 11,000 points over there on my balance. You guys can see everything here. All right. So this is the balance over here. Then this is the strike. So I don't actually know what this means, but I want to believe that this, whatever this thing is actually going to be a good one, because I've checked their review on Play Store, and I have checked the coin that are backing them up. You can see they are backed by Bitcoin, Zelle. Let's wait for it to come back again. So Bitcoin, Zelle. You can see it here: Bitcoin, Zelle, and the Litecoin, and so on. So Bitcoin, Zelle, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum. So I believe they are going to cook. It is already live. Yeah, if you see, it is already live. But you can place a withdrawal now, but you can't sell or swap now. All right, it's just like Bitcoin, but the difference between this one and Bitcoin is that Bitcoin you can sell once you get to the minimum amount to sell. Then you can also swap or trade something like that on P2P. So I'll be leaving this particular project link. So let's go to Play Store. Let's see their review. So you can see pre-sale is live now. You can see it here. Pre-sale is live. So join now. Instant unlock 100%. Blah blah blah. So that is just it. So let's go to Play Store. So this is Play Store GTC GTech Network. So the name is GTech Network. I think they have about 4.5 rate. Yeah, 4.5 4.5 rate review here. Over 1K review has reviewed this over here, right? So that is just that. So let's dive into it. So these are this is how the interface looks. I'll still take you guys to my own particular one. So if you download it, this is how it will look. So click on sign up. So it will prompt you here, put in your full name, email address, password, confirm password, phone number, and referral code. I'll be leaving everything on the video description and on my WhatsApp group, on my Telegram channel also. So this is how once you are done, click on accept terms and condition. Then you sign up. If you sign up, you are going to get welcome bonus for using my code automatically. You get welcome bonus. All right. So that is just that. So people are saying more. This is what this person said. The best app ever. I really love it so much, and blah blah blah. So this person said this is a very nice app, and I firmly believe this project will definitely succeed. It seems is outstanding and it's possible. So blah blah blah. Person said I have been actively mining this project. So let's mine this, guys. Let's mine this. So if you go to wallet here, this is my own account here. So if you go to wallet here. So sorry guys, let's go to wallet. So go to wallet. You can see I have 18,000 in total. So if you go to coin calculation, then you can see this my 18,000 is showing um 354 USDT here, which is not quite bad, even though they list at 150 USDT. I'm not panicking because I didn't invest any money to do this. So it's just my time and my effort, my data. So that is all. So that is just it. I'll be leaving the link in the video description. So they are expected to launch price is 0.05, right? The expected to launch price is 0.05. So that is just it. So the current price is 0.03. So they are expecting to launch at 0.05, which is not bad. So if you go to social media, this is the handle. You can join the Telegram, follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, and TikTok, Telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp, and Instagram. All right. So that is just that. So this is how everything looks here. I don't want the video to be too long. I think I'll stop here. I'll be leaving my Telegram group link on the video description. So do wait to join my Telegram group link because I'll be sharing more updates to you guys. All right. I'll be leaving you guys here and I hope to see you on my next video. Peace be unto you.